Shut up, buttheads. This is your market wrap up for Wednesday, July 20th. I'm Matt. Not that that matters. I got completely screwed by the market today, and I want to explain to you how. So with all that in mind, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get rocking. So the SPY was looking real good today. In fact, it gained 0.65. The Qs gave 1.6. IWM gave 1.6. We were ripping, and we probably would have kept ripping. In fact, going for a gap fill to 401.44. But then midday, Google was like, hey, we love not having fun. And they publicly announced that they're going to be pausing hiring for 2 weeks. And then we got a similar report from Ford saying, hey, we're also going to be pausing hiring. Now, they're not reporting, but Tesla's about to report. Netflix reported, and they did bad, but not as bad as everyone thought. So they were up, and the market was green. And Tesla's about to report. United's about to report. American's about to report tomorrow. AT&T, Snapchat. You have a lot of reports, and the next week it's going to get even more crazy. Not just from reports of Microsoft and Meta and Apple, but you also have the Fed meeting that we get the results on Wednesday at 2 p.m. And then from there, we're also going to get the GDP report. Speaking of the Fed, 70% chance of a 75 bips rate increase and a 31% chance of a 100 bips rate increase. Now, recently, the market's been doing well, and so has crypto. Bitcoin, in fact, got above 24,000. Watch for that breakout of 25, and I have an important technical level at 25.5. Same with ETH. Really, the overall crypto sector is looking pretty good. Now, I do want to point out something that I just think is crazy. Let me tell you a story in 2 points. Nancy Pelosi, point number one. Her husband, Paul Pelosi, exercised a bunch of call options, 200 call options equivalent to 20,000 shares on June 17th for NVIDIA, a chip maker. Well. Senate advances more than $50 billion bill to boost U.S. semiconductor production. So in 1 month, they are ripping. So they got in on June 16th. From that particular day until now, up 15% on 20,000 shares. Oh, and this was held up a little bit. And then Pelosi said, okay, yeah, no, push it through. Maybe it's not insider trading. Maybe they aren't using their position to line their own pockets, but it sure as hell looks like it. This is horrendous. This is exactly why I honestly don't think they should, I think if you're a spouse or yourself, you should be able to trade. It's just your trade should be reported instantaneously. In fact, I would go a step better because right now they're trying to play cute and be like, okay, we'll stop stock trading, but they don't say anything about options. I think this is the solution. Instead of worrying about them, their spouses, their kids, of who can trade, who can't trade, how about this? How about before you trade, you have to file a public report 1 day before at a minimum, as in tomorrow at market open, I'm buying company XYZ or doing this with this option or that with that option. Preemptive report saying the next day this trade will be executed. I think that's the best solution. Maybe I haven't thought about it enough, but hey, let them trade. I just think everything should be informed to the public an entire day beforehand, where we could all look it up and be like, oh, they're about to do this, they're about to that, and you could take that information as you so choose. I think that's a fair solution to what's currently going on. All right, Tesla and post-market popping from 742 all the way up to 756. Do we have any real-time results? Let's see. Tesla 2Q revenue, $16.9 billion when they were expecting $16.88. So Tesla just got a win, barely was squeezing out a win there. I wonder what else is going on. I'm sure, that was 44 seconds ago. So we're going to be getting a lot of Tesla updates. All this stuff just came out. Nothing else yet of Tesla. So we're waiting for something else. Ooh, Tesla popping 744 up to 764. It's cruising. What? Look at that. It is moving, grooving. Tesla, people are liking the numbers. Very much liking the number. Tesla beat on revenue. I'm waiting to see if anyone's going to be tweeting out like their earnings per share or anything like that. Adjusted earnings per share, 227 versus 183. So Tesla beat on top and bottom lines. You heard it here. Tesla beat on revenue, earnings per share, top and bottom lines. Tesla, congrats. That is moving. Beat on rev, beat on earnings per share. And it is moving as everyone is apparently liking the news. Now, obviously, I mean, I'm kind of happy I still got out because the SPY's not moving that much. I wasn't playing Tesla. In fact, actually, up until this morning, I had Tesla put, so I would be absolutely smoked right now. So even though my loss this morning really hurt, it clearly would have been worse. So at least now I have the ability to fight back. If I held it, like if I was being pigheaded, I would have gotten screwed in this scenario. The next gap fill we're talking about, I think might be that upside. It is still fucking moving. Jeez. Well, congratulations to all of you who got a piece of Tesla, because this is now up 4% and posted 775. Dude, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. That is nuts. All right, here's the plan. I appreciate you hanging out in this stream, in this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will be streaming once again tomorrow. We'll be doing all the normal stuff. And then on Friday, just a quick reminder that I will not be streaming. I just want to put that out there. Going to a wedding, hanging out with some of my IRL friends, taking a little bit of a breather from my digital friends. But I love you all the same. Thanks for all the good vibes. I truly, truly appreciate it. And congrats to everyone who got a piece of this Tesla action. Feels like the market is still going to continue to be bullish probably for the remainder of the week, but let's see how this all plays out. Have a beautiful day.